President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said that the travel time from Tarlac City to Cabanatuan City will be reduced from 1 hour and 30 minutes to just 20 minutes. This comes with the opening of a 9.5-kilometer and 4-lane expressway in Central Luzon. As Sheila Natividad runs us through the details.
Faster and more comfortable travel. This is what motorists can expect from the newly opened Central Luzon Link Expressway or CLX Contract Package 4, Aliaga-Cabanatuan section, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The project features a 9.5-kilometer, 4-lane expressway aimed at improving connectivity in Central Luzon. According to the President, travel time from Tarlac City to Cabanatuan City will be reduced from 1 hour and 30 minutes to just 20 minutes. Around 11,200 motorists are expected to benefit daily.
Ito ay kasama ulit doon sa ating instruction na buksan lahat na maaring buksan na ng mga connector road para maging mas mabilis ang daloy ng traffic.
Beyond faster travel, the President noted that the project will also help motorists save on fuel amid high petroleum prices.
Malaking bagay ito dahil unang-una alam naman natin ngayon, ang inaalala natin ang konsumo ng krudo, ng gasolina ay sa pagbawas na pagtagal sa bawas ng tagal ng biyahe ay mababawasan din ang konsumo sa fuel.
He added that the project will support the stable supply of rice as Nueva Ecija, known as the country's rice granary, will benefit from lower transport costs.
Alam nyo naman, ang Nueva Ecija ay yan ang rice granary ng Pilipinas ngayon. At ito ay makakatulong bawasan ang transport cost. At sa ganun, sa pagbawas ng transport cost ay mananatili ang presyo ng bigas. Dahil dito nakita naman bagong tanim ang ating mga palay. Kaya malaking bagay.
Toll fees along the expressway will remain free until December, according to the President. The project is part of CLX Phase 1, a 29.2-kilometer 4-lane expressway with a total cost of 14.94 billion pesos. The President also assured that the government will continue to open similar infrastructure projects to ease travel for motorists. Sheila Natividad from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.